inside one of America's most iconic automotive factories. Today, we are going deep into the heart of Ford's legendary production line. This is how America builds the Ford Mustang. From raw steel to roaring muscle. From a single bolt to a symbol of power, freedom, and pure American engineering. The Mustang is not just a car. It is a legacy that began in 1964, and every generation has carried its spirit forward. But how is this machine crafted today, with cutting-edge technology and precision engineering? Let's step inside. Our story begins at the giant stamping facility. Here, massive rolls of steel arrive by truck and rail. These steel sheets are fed into enormous stamping presses, each capable of delivering thousands of tons of force. With a thunderous roar, the machines punch, cut, and mold the metal into the Mustang's hood, doors, roof, and fenders. Every press is calibrated with microscopic accuracy, ensuring each part fits perfectly down the line. From stamping, the parts move to the body shop, one of the most automated sections of the factory. Hundreds of robotic arms move in perfect harmony, like a metallic ballet. They weld, join, clamp, and laser cut the body frame with incredible precision. Sparks fly in every direction as the iconic silhouette of the Mustang slowly comes to life. The frame then enters a series of inspections. Advanced sensors scan every weld, ensuring absolute structural integrity. American-built muscle demands strength, and nothing is left to chance. Now the body heads to the paint shop, an ultra-clean environment where even a single speck of dust can ruin the finish. The car body is washed, coated, sealed, and electro-dipped to protect it from rust for decades. Then, robotic painters apply layers of primer, color, and clear coat in a smooth, glass-like finish. From shadow black to race red, every shade is meticulously applied to achieve that perfect Mustang glow. Next, the painted shell reaches the final assembly line, a bustling hub where engineering meets craftsmanship. Here, workers and machines come together to install thousands of carefully engineered parts. The dashboard, wiring harness, displays, sensors, and interior trims are fitted with expert precision. Then comes the heart of the beast. The iconic Mustang engine. Whether it's the efficient EcoBoost or the monstrous 5.0-liter V8, each power unit is assembled with extreme accuracy. Pistons, crankshafts, fuel systems, and cooling components come together to create an engine that delivers raw American power. The engine is then married to the transmission and lowered into the waiting Mustang chassis. This moment, known as the marriage point, is one of the most important steps in the assembly line. It's here that the Mustang becomes alive. Suspension systems, brakes, axles, and wheels are installed next. The car is now ready for electrical integration. Technicians connect advanced sensors, cameras, and driver assistance modules that make the modern Mustang smart, safe, and fast. Once the assembly is complete, the Mustang moves to the testing area. Every car is driven on a rolling dyno where engines are pushed, brakes are tested, and electronics are checked. Special water chambers simulate extreme rain to ensure the vehicle is leak-proof. Only after passing dozens of tests does the Mustang earn its badge. Finally, the finished Mustangs roll toward the shipping yard, each ready to hit the open road. Some will go to dealerships across America. Others will be shipped around the world, carrying the spirit of American engineering wherever they go. From the first spark of steel to the roar of the V8, this is how America builds the Ford Mustang. A timeless machine built with passion, precision, and power. The legend continues, and the road ahead is waiting.